The Catalyst CSR Total Shoulder System. Revolutionary, reproducible, anatomic, precise. It's the catalyst for successful surgery. Let's see how. First, the humeral pin guide is placed. The humeral alignment guide is used to provide a 135-degree inclination and 30-degree retroversion reference. Next, the long 3.2mm guide wire pin is drilled under power into the center of the articular surface. The pin guide is then removed, leaving the pin in the center of the humerus. The cannulated plunge reamer is advanced over the long guide wire pin. A small portion of subchondral bone is removed. This portion is the precise thickness required for the Catalyst CSR to accurately restore the patient's native humeral head height. The plunge reamer is removed. The humeral cut guide number 1 is placed over the long guide wire pin. 4 short guide wire pins are placed to ensure the guide sits flush against the cut surface. The central pin is removed. Posterior and anterior cuts are made. Humeral cut guide number 1 and 4 short guide wire pins are all removed. Next, the humeral cut guide number 2 is applied and secured with 2 short guide wire pins. The inferior and superior cuts are made. The top portion of cut guide number 2 is positioned, and a 5.75mm drill is used to drill the 4 holes for the pegs of the implant. The top portion of the guide is removed, and a rongeur is used to contour the corners. The humeral cut guide number 2 and 2 short guide wire pins are all removed. Humeral trial implants are used to determine the correct humeral implant size. The humeral cover is placed over the prepared humeral head. The surgeon is ready for the glenoid preparation. First, the glenoid sizing guide is used to determine the implant and reamer size. The awl is used to make a pilot hole in the center of the glenoid. The appropriately sized angled reamer is chosen. The polyaxial angled reamer drive shaft is inserted into the drive nut of the reamer. Next, the glenoid drill guide is inserted. The 5.75mm drill is used to drill the first glenoid hole. Once the drill is removed, the hole is filled with a locking pin, and the same 5.75mm drill is used to drill the second hole. The 4.5mm drill is used on the third hole, making sure the drill seats fully. The glenoid bone preparation is now complete. Catalyst offers a standard 3-peg glenoid as well as an augmented 3-peg glenoid for retroversion correction. A trial glenoid component of the chosen size is inserted. If a retroversion correction is desired, a blue augmented glenoid trial may be used. The trial is removed and cement is prepared. The glenoid anchor holes are filled with cement. The cement tamp is used to pressurize the cement. The 3-peg glenoid implant is inserted. If using the augmented 3-peg glenoid, the same procedure is used. Catalyst gives surgeons intraoperative flexibility to choose either a standard or augmented glenoid implant based on their surgical findings. If using the augmented 3-peg glenoid, the same procedure is used. Humeral prosthesis implantation is performed. Insert the Catalyst CSR humeral implant. If needed, cement can be applied to the humerus and to the back of the press-fit humeral component. Cement must be applied to the humerus and implant when using the standard humeral component. The Catalyst CSR Total Shoulder System. Revolutionary, reproducible, anatomic, precise.